So community, as the name is, it is used by two or more organization if they are working in the same project or same sort of they are working in the same mission, so they can create the community cloud so that so for the project or for the mission it will be useful for them. So a community cloud deployment model resemble a private one to a large extent, and only differences is the set of user. While a private type implies that only one company owns the server, in this case, the community one, several organizations with similar background share the infrastructure and related resources. So it is public among them and private among them, right? So it is public to, you can say, different organization, but it is again private to those organization only. So as the organization have the uniform security, privacy, performance requirement, this multi-tenant data center architecture help companies achieve their business specific objective. That is why a community model is particularly suited for organization that work on joint project. So if somebody working in a joint project, they can create the community cloud. In this case, centralized cloud facility project deployment, management, and implementation. Also, the cost could be shared across the user. So just like the private cloud is owned by one company, community cloud could be owned by combination of company. Okay. What is the strength or the advantages? Cost could be reduced by sharing the expenses. We can improve the security, privacy, and reliability because it is private to those companies. Ease of data sharing and collaboration. Collaboration is very easy on that, and data sharing could also be easy because only the limited user are using it. The shortcomings are high cost than the public one, right? Public say so it is more than that. Sharing of fixed storage and the bandwidth capacity, because we are sharing it with other companies employee, it is not widespread so far. This particular type of cloud is not at all popular, but it is the model. Google, Red Hat, IBM, Microsoft, and other service provider are working on that community cloud. Let's see the diagram here. So let's say we have organization 1, 2, and 3, which is inside, they can have this community cloud. Okay. And outsider will not get the access to them, even though they belongs to the same organization, but they cannot get it. So outsider could not access it. If they want to access, they have to use access through those legitimate person only. So user that access local cloud optional resources, user that access remote cloud resources, user that access the cloud from within their premises. So within their premises they can use, or from the outside also they can use, but only those people who are intended to use this community cloud can use it only.